Welcome to the homepage of the Clerk of the Circuit Court and Comptroller's Spending in the Sunshine site. Let's explore the Spending Transparency navigation by clicking on the top bar and selecting Categories. This section provides spending details by category for the current year to date and the previous 5 fiscal years. Make a selection under the Agency drop-down between the Board of County Commissioners and the Clerk of the Circuit Court and Comptroller, and then select Fiscal Year. There are a few visualizations for quick information such as top categories, personal services, and operating actuals. Hovering the mouse over these graphs will give additional information. As you scroll down, the next section provides a list of the categories as selected in the above agency and fiscal year. Columns display financial information by main category, category name, associated vendors, departments, current year spend, obligation, and last year's spend. For a different visual, you can select List or Tile View, or narrow your selection using the category name and alphabet range. In the List view, you have search options on each column. Information may be exported by clicking on the right export visual and selecting to export to Excel or to print. For additional information, expand the caret to the left of the main category. To drill into the category, click on the name and visualizations will appear for the top trends, vendors, and departments down on the left-hand side. At the top right, there is also a button for more details. The page will display additional information for the selected category name. You may also select a different fiscal year or category name from the drop-downs. Hover over for additional information. Payment details are also available by expanding on the plus sign to the left of the invoice number. Data used in this video is for example only and may not reflect actual expenditures.